If you've been following along, you know that we've been acquiring tools of the trade to try to up our game a little bit. We recently got the DJI gimbal, and the last component that we really needed on top of the Zoom handy recorder and so forth that we've been showing you is a drone. We've been talking about it for quite some time, so we finally decided to take the plunge and buy a drone. And of course, DJI is the company to go with, as most people say. So today we're going to show you a little bit about the Mavic Air. We purchased a Mavic Air Fly More combo. It seemed to make sense because we knew we would want the extra batteries and the multiple chargers and so forth. So we're going to show you a little bit about what comes in the Fly More combo. And then also we made a trip out, did some flying out in a remote area, but then also in the local Shelter Gardens Park area. We'll show you a little bit of that, give you a little bit of B-roll to whet your appetite a little bit. So we're pretty excited about that footage. We like the perspective and the view and the smoothness of it. If you've been considering a drone, I would highly suggest considering DJI. Certainly they're a leader in the drone market. As some have said, there are some limitations to its range and so forth, but for what we're doing, we feel like 1.2 miles is plenty of distance. If you need something with longer range, greater signal strength, probably the Mavic Pro is a better choice, but for what we're doing, we've been pretty happy so far. Certainly the portability is great for sailing and biking and travel and the kind of things I like to do. That small size was really the deciding factor. So if you're considering all that, you may want to consider the Mavic Air. The video quality is good. It's really easy to fly. So for someone who's never flown a drone before, to be able to just pick it up and take off with it was really amazingly easy. It really is like playing a little bit like playing a video game. So if you're thinking about it, consider that. In addition, their software is really good. The Fly More combo is nice because there's the batteries, the charger, the case, and all the things that come with it. I think by the time you add it all up, you'll be better off just buying that combo because you are going to go through these batteries. They last anywhere from, I would say, 13 to 18 minutes. I think they rate them at 18. No one's going to run it completely dead. So normally you're going to be working to try to get that back and landed before you get down to empty. So really you're going to get about, 13, 14 minutes out of flight. But that's a lot of footage, really. You can really get a lot done in that amount of time. So having the 3 batteries is helpful. Anyhow, I hope this was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again soon.